Shalom. First, I want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Rucha, Kodash. Double honors to the apostles of Great Millstone, and peace and blessings to the elect. This is from rtnews.com. All right, according to this article here, there's a new disease, okay, called Vexas. Okay, if I got it right, which we're gonna find out. It says here, and this came out today. Scientists discovered devastating new genetic disease that's killed 40% of known patients by attacking lungs and immune system. All right. Um, it says new condition, which is caused by genetic mutations, has now actually, as a matter of fact, it's interesting. Yesterday, I did a video and actually, you know what? Let's just see if we can find it. There we go. Should be this video right here. And we're just gonna see if we can find the part where they mention, because this guy was reading on information, leaked information from I guess a parliament meeting in Canada. All right, and they mentioned the COVID virus mutating. All right, and another virus or disease, all right, being thrown in there. Okay, let me see if I can find it.
As follows. I know that the more related deaths following the same growth curves expected by end of November 2020, complete and total expected by Q1 to into the Universal Basic Income Program, COVID-19 mutation and or by Q1 2021. Projected COVID-19 mutation and or co-infection with secondary virus referred to as COVID-21, leading to a third wave with...
So COVID-19 mutation with a co-virus or secondary virus, which they're going to call COVID-21. Okay, which is interesting. Seeing this made me think about it. You know, being that this apparently attacks your lungs and immune system. But let's read about this disease, and you know, who knows? This could be something that they use. You know, it becomes a big thing. It also kills people, or you know, it just could be one of those things that just dies down again. But we'll have to wait and see. So it says here, the new condition, which is caused by genetic mutations, has shown a particularly high death rate, as patients were not responding to any currently available treatments, the researchers said. Now you got to remember what Bill Gates said about when he was on the. There was a video of Bill Gates basically saying how the first wave, you know, people, you know, it didn't really get people's attention, you know, but the second wave, that'll get their attention, you know. Now, could the second wave, you know, could he have been referring to more than just coronavirus? He very well could have, you know. Because the second wave, yeah, you know, we're dealing with COVID, but the Lord prophesied of pestilences. Okay, that's plural. So it says, as patients were not responding to any currently available treatments, the researchers said. The disease, vacuolose E1 enzyme X linked autoinflammatory and somatic syndrome, has been dubbed Vexas. It causes symptoms that include blood clots in veins, recurrent fevers, abnormalities in the lungs, and vacuoles, unusual cavity-like structures in the myeloid cells, which play a crucial part in the human immune system. This sounds like some deadly joint, some World War Z stuff. All right. Now it says, and notice it has what recurrent fevers. Okay, which I believe fever is also a symptom of COVID. All right, according to them. Researchers at the U.S. National Institutes of Health, or NIH, came across the disease after analyzing the genome sequences of more than 2,500 people with undiagnosed inflammatory diseases. In comparing the data, they found that 25 adult males had particular mutations in the UBA1 gene, which is believed to be the source of Vexas. Instead of looking at clinical similarities, we are instead taking advantage of shared genetic similarities that could help us discover a completely new disease, said Daniel Kastner, the scientific director of the Intramural Research Program at the National Human Genome Research Institute. The NIH reported that the new disease can be life-threatening, as 40% of the Vexas patients and the researchers studied have died. All right, 40% of the patients. Oh, Salakia, 40% of the patients the researchers studied have died. The high death toll revealed the devastating consequences of the severe condition, the team stated. Now, is there going to be an outbreak of this? I don't know. All right. It says Kastner told NBC News that patients with Vexas become really sick and don't respond to any treatments, from high doses of steroids to various chemotherapies. So if you get Vexas, you're basically dead. Because if you get really sick and 40% of these patients die, unless the Lord has mercy on you, you're not responding to any treatments. Because when COVID came out, yeah, they said it was killing people, but then again, there was treatments for it, that help people recover. But according to them, if this Vexus is a disease that is, people don't, you can't respond to any treatments with it. So what happens to those who have it? Are they just a lost cause? You know. But apparently it's a fairly new article, which I saw Dabu7 did a video, all right, bringing this out maybe last week or a couple days ago, and now we're seeing it here. So we'll see if this is also gonna creep up in there, just like how COVID crept up out of nowhere, okay? But we're gonna have to wait and see, man. But according to prophecy, we know, all right, that there are gonna be diseases, man. Okay, and that's plural. Let's get that real quick. Matthew 24, and let's just start at 7 and just jump to the main point. Oh, really, the main point is in 7. Matthew 24, verse 7. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilences. All right, you see that? It's plural. All right, coronavirus is pestilence, but the Lord said pestilences, and earthquakes in diverse places. We're seeing the earthquakes. We're seeing the famines on a low level, but that's going to go up more. So are the earthquakes, so are the natural disasters, and so are the pestilences, man. All these are the beginning of sorrows. So, hey, when you see these things, understand that this is just the beginning. All right? We're hearing about these things. Now we're about to start seeing the full effect of these things. Okay? So that was just a quick update. All right? Letting the sheep know what's going on. Apparently there's a new disease out. So we got to watch and see if they're going to use this, if they're going to, add this into the narrative and play with it, or if, it's just going to die down again. But we got to wait and see. All right, so with that, I hope you were informed and edified. I want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Rakah Kodash. Until next time, Shalom.